Hey everyone, I'm Erica from the blog Buttered Side Up, and today I'm going to show you how to make a brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso at home. Now, I went and ordered the Starbucks version because I wanted to taste test it to make sure that I got the correct flavor profile. I was impressed that it wasn't extremely sweet, and I thought that the flavor of the coffee paired really well with the brown sugar and cinnamon. It almost tasted like graham crackers to me. So I got to recipe testing and I got it right on the first try. Okay, let me show you how to make one for yourself. Place 2 teaspoons of brown sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon in a jar. Pour a shot of espresso on top. You can also use 2 to 4 tablespoons of really strongly brewed coffee, and I'll have Aeropress and French press instructions in the description in case you don't own an espresso machine. Add about 6 cubes of ice to your jar and pour half a cup of oat milk on top. Isn't that just pretty? Now, as far as I know, Starbucks uses Oatly oat milk, but any barista blend oat milk should work here. I have also used Califia Farms, which is great. Now put a lid on the jar and shake it up really well. This helps to dissolve the brown sugar, and it also creates that foam on top. So that's how to make my brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more food and cooking videos. Also, make sure to check out my homemade oat milk latte tutorial as well as my other homemade drinks. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.